Everyone thinks the best-selling ductless mini split air conditioner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Senville Leto Series. First up is the Senville Leto Series Mini Split Air Conditioner, priced at $799.99. What caught my attention is its Alexa compatibility and impressive 20.8 SEER 2 rating. If you want a smart, efficient cooling solution that integrates with your voice commands, this is worth a serious look. The inverter technology means it adjusts power usage based on your room temperature, which is great for saving energy and money on bills. Plus, the versatile 4-in-1 design lets you use it as a dehumidifier, fan, or heater in winter, functional even in temperatures down to 5 degrees F. It's also UL listed and AHRI certified, which gives peace of mind about its performance. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky. Here's the thing though, if you hire a professional, it's usually smooth sailing and totally worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and want an all-in-one system that looks good in your space. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, as the price is on the higher side. Overall, it's a solid choice for smart home lovers. Now, if the price of the Senville worried you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your wallet. Product number 2, COSTWAY Mini Split AC. Next up is the COSTWAY 12,000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heater for $559.98. The price caught my eye, especially since it promises 20 SEER 2 efficiency. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. The innovative inverter technology means it can adjust the compressor speed, avoiding sudden power spikes and saving on energy bills. It also has 5 modes: auto, cool, dry, heat, and fan, making it a great year-round option. Additionally, it runs quietly, so you won't be disturbed during your downtime. Now, some reviews mention that it can take a bit longer to cool a room initially. Here's the thing though, once it gets going, it really keeps the temperature steady, so it's great for all-day comfort. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized area that needs both heating and cooling without breaking the bank. Skip this if you want something ultra-fast cooling. It might take a bit of time to reach the desired temperature. With its features, this is a solid investment for your comfort. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for energy efficiency. Product number 3, DELLA Vario Series. Our third pick is the DELLA Vario Series Mini Split Air Conditioner, priced at $799.96. Its build quality and 23 SEER 2 rating really stood out to me. If you want a high-efficiency unit that keeps your space feeling just right, this is worth a serious look. It features intelligent sensors that adjust airflow based on where you are in the room, which is a neat way to save energy. The self-cleaning function is another plus, ensuring you breathe fresh air without dust buildup. Plus, it operates quietly at just 28 dBA, perfect for bedrooms or study spaces. Now, some users found the remote control a bit complex. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the features it offers can be very beneficial for customizing your comfort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for energy efficiency and advanced comfort features in a stylish package. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, straightforward setup. It's a great value if you prioritize smart features. Now, if the complex controls of the DELLA don't sound appealing, the next product takes a more user-friendly approach. Product number 4, ROVSUN 9000 BTU. Next on the list is the ROVSUN 9000 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner, priced at just $399.99. Its affordability and efficient performance caught my attention. If you want a compact system that doesn't sacrifice on features, this is worth a serious look. The advanced inverter technology helps save energy by adjusting based on your space's temperature changes. It also operates quietly at 28 dB, making it perfect for peaceful environments. Plus, the Wi-Fi capability allows you to control it from your smartphone or with voice commands, which is just so convenient. Now, some complaints mention that it takes a bit longer to install due to the technical requirements. Here's the thing, once it's set up, you'll love the ease of use and energy savings. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, smart solution for smaller spaces. Skip this if you're looking for large coverage, as it's better suited for compact areas. With its price, it's a great value for tech-savvy users. Alright, that was a great budget option. But the next one on my list might surprise you with its features. Product number 5. ROVSUN 11500 BTU. Finally, we have the ROVSUN 11500 BTU Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner, priced at $399.98. What I noticed is its excellent balance between capacity and price. If you're after a reliable and efficient unit that is also well priced, this is worth a serious look. It also features Wi-Fi and voice control, making it easy to adjust from anywhere. Plus, it runs quietly so it won't disturb your peace at night. Now, some users have expressed that they found the installation instructions vague. Here's the thing though, if you get a professional to set it up, it usually goes off without a hitch. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, efficient air conditioner with smart features. Skip this if you need something for a larger area, since it's best for smaller to medium-sized rooms. Considering its features, it's a fantastic value for a smart home setup. To wrap it up, we covered 5 great ductless mini split air conditioners today. The Senville Leto offers smart features, while the COSTWAY gives you a great balance of price and performance. The DELLA shines with energy efficiency, the ROVSUN 9000 is perfect for smaller spaces, and the ROVSUN 11500 combines efficiency with smart tech. No matter what you're looking for, there's definitely a great option here for you.